Hi guys, this is Darren from Darren's Tech Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Debian 12 on VirtualBox. Most likely be Debian 12.5. Yeah, so this will be quick, but let's get into it. So I have Google here, and the first thing I'm going to do is I want to search for Debian 12. I'm going to hit return, and we can see we have a couple of options here. So I'm going to click download Debian, and I want to click to download Debian 12.5. This one here. So I want to click to download that, and we can see it is kicking off. Now, I've actually downloaded this a couple of minutes ago, so just wait for this to finish, but I'm going to get started here. So I'm going to open up VirtualBox, and I want to come up here, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Tools, and then I'm going to click on New. Okay, so we're going to say, I want to call this Debian. You can see I have one already, so I'm going to 12.5, I'm going to say New. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have a look for that ISO image. So I'm going to click on Other here. I'm going to go to my downloads, and I'll click the Debian, and I'll click Open on that. I'm going to click to skip this unattended installation. So we'll step through this together, and we'll see how it works. Okay. So I'm going to click Next on this. I'm going to leave all these as the default. I'm happy enough with that. Leave this 20 gigs. Yeah, it's fine. And look, we'll click Finish. Okay, so now I'm going to double click on this one. This new one here that I have, and we can see it's beginning to power up now. So let's just give this a second. Maybe I'll just pause it while this powers up. Are we ready to go? It looks like we're nearly ready to go here. So let's just, okay, we're good. So I'm going to click in here, and important, if you get stuck, if you can't get your cursor out, it's the control and right to get that, the right control key to get that out. So I'm going to click on graphical install. I'm going to click enter. Cool, and we can see it's ticking off here now, which is great. Okay, so this will probably take a minute. Okay, so we have a couple of options. I'm going to say English for me because that's what works for me. I'm actually based in Ireland, so let me click that, and I'll click OK on that. Yeah, keyboard, that's fine. Okay, so here we go. It's stepping through some stuff for us here now. Let me just pause. There's no point in us all just sitting here waiting for this to be done. Okay, here we go. We're looking for some other options. Okay, so we're going to click continue on this. Yes, I'm going to put in test.com for this, for domain. We'll click continue on that. Okay, root password. Put something in secure here. I'm just going to put in something quick. As you know, strong passwords are important. Continue on that. Full name of the user. I'll put myself in as Darren. Yep, that's fine. And again, just the same again, a quick password here just to make sure that we're happy with it, and we'll click continue. Okay, so we're looking at checking some disks here, so let's just give this a second. We'll let it keep going. Yeah, I want to use the entire disk because this is a VM. Yeah, that's good. All files won't partition. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Yeah, that's all right. And I'm just going to click yes. Let's just do what it wants here on the partitions. Okay, so here we go. It's installing the base system. This will probably take about 5 minutes. So look, let me pause it. And if you've made it this far and you are liking the video, please do like and subscribe. It really does help. Let's pause here, and we'll meet back here in 2 minutes. Okay, great. We're back here. Cool. Do we want to scan additional media? No, we do not. We're gonna just continue with the basics. Configure package manager. So usually it's somewhere as close to you. We don't have Ireland here for some reason, so you know what? I'll just put down United Kingdom. That's probably geographically closest to me. Yeah, I'll just leave this deb.debian.org. I'm happy with that. I haven't got a proxy. If you're just doing this as a test, you won't either, so leave that blank. Okay, it's setting up the package manager now. This should only take a moment. But look, let me pause this again. Okay, nearly there now. We've been asked, we want to supply some information. I'm going to say no, I don't want to participate, and I'll click continue again, and look, we'll pause it. Oh no, we're actually okay, we don't need to pause it. I'm going to go to GNOME desktop, happy with that. If you have other preferences, you can select that, but this is generally the most generic one that most people use. A couple of other options, web server, SSH, assuming you don't want to do that, but this will just give you your standard graphical Linux interface that you may be familiar with. All right, we're looking like we're nearly there now. I'm going to click continue. And we're getting some files down. So you can see this will take a minute. So let me pause again, guys. We'll be back in a minute. Okay, nearly there now, guys. So yeah, install the GRUB bootloader. I'm gonna click yes to this virtual machine. If you were doing something like you were dual booting a laptop, you may not do this, but you're okay to click yes if you're just installing this on VirtualBox. And yeah, look, just stick it on this partition. Okay, and it's installing the GRUB bootloader, and we're going to finish the installation now. So this is nearly there, hopefully. Yeah, look, we'll pause it again. Okay, look, we're here. Okay, so I'm just going to click continue. Make sure to remove the installation media. So just, I think you should be okay just to reboot it here, and it will actually remove it for us. So let's just see. Okay, so it's going to start rebooting up here, and perfect. Okay, just capture. We're going to click enter to go into Debian Linux. This should begin to boot up for us now. So we're getting a whole heap of OKs, which looks good. Let's just see. This should nearly be here, but let me just pause it again. Might just take a second. It looks like it is. Okay, I'm going to pause for a second. Okay, good. We're back. Okay, so we see Darren. Let me pop in that password, which I set. I'll hit return. And hopefully now it's going to boot up for us. I see no reason why it shouldn't. Yeah, okay, so we're nearly there. We should get a couple of first time options here that it asks us, but you can see Debian is booting up. Yeah, so English, yeah, that's fine by me. Yeah, Irish keyboard, that's fine. Yeah, location services, I want to skip this. And we're all done. Okay, so that was it. How to install Debian 12, actually 12.5 on VirtualBox. If it was helpful, please do subscribe and like the video. It really does help. Any questions, as always, leave them in the comments below. Always happy to help where I can. And thank you for watching.